Alright, so I should have recorded the first part of this video like last week sometime, but basically I'm gonna be putting the rear end back into my Mustang with the fucking 410 gears and the Yukon duragrip diff. I already put the cover on just because I was gonna clean it real quick so it's not on, but I'm just gonna clean up all the oil and shit real fast, and then I'll take it off and show you guys the inside before I start rebuilding it, or before I put it back together and then stick it back in there. So I got new axles. So, well, today what I need to do is take out the control arms. It's two control arms, and then put the new ones in, and then clean the diff, or clean the rear end. I might paint it, I don't know. I'm gonna put new bushings in here. Got new bushings for that. And then put the dual brake caliper brackets on, and then I forgot I was supposed to go to X Hardware and get all new of these nuts right here. I'm gonna go get some new locking nuts or whatever. And then redo the wheel bearings. And then I can stick the axles back in and put the studs in the axles and shit. And then after the axles are in, it should be good to put back together. So I'm gonna put the, I guess I'm just gonna set the camera up right now and fucking yeah, just set the camera up and start doing it to it, I guess.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us.
Alright, so that shit was messy. It's not like super duper clean. I mean, it's not like spotless, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. I'm not trying to make it perfect, but I'm pretty sure the pinion seal was leaking for like at least a couple years before I got the car, because the whole bottom side of the car was just gunked in oil and everything. Same thing with the diff. So I'm not trying to make it perfect, I'm just trying to clean it up, make it less oily, so when I work on it I'm not fucking getting hella messy all the time. But that's the cleaning part of it.
I ain't gonna be front. This shit sit in the middle of it. For real? I'm about to go big.
So this is what the diff looks like. The 410 gears in there. It's the Yukon duragrip diff. It's clean. It's installed by my boy Ryan Blue 67 on Instagram. He's up in Sacramento. Alright. We done scraped the gasket off of it. Now, we still gotta take the control arms out the car and fucking put the control arms in. And then we'll deal with the axles after that. Alright, so we're about to get these control arms out. These are the new control arms. SR Performance. Alright, so I got the control arms in there. Upper control arms in there. Lower control arms. So I realized while I was editing this video that I need to do a better job of filming. It's a couple days later now. The car's already put back together. I realized I didn't really film too much and it really wasn't detailed. All you really got to see was me cleaning and taking the control arms out and stuff. And I didn't mean for the video to be like that. I wanted it to be a lot more in detail, so at least I'm going to do here, or this is what I'm gonna do to somewhat kind of try to make up for it, since I didn't show anything in this fucking video about what it looks like done. I didn't even show you the car at all. We're just gonna go. I'm gonna jack up the car right now, and then we're gonna go under and just take a quick look, just to put an end to this video. And alright, so now we're gonna go under the car. Okay, now that we're under the car, I'm gonna try to give you the build list of everything that went into it. So, SVE coilover kit. Well, in the rear it's a spring kit. It's a lowering spring kit. So you got the springs and the shocks. SR Performance lower upper control arms. All new polyurethane bushings with those. Inside the diff, inside here, you seen earlier in the video I showed, it was a Yukon duragrip traction lock diff with a Excel 410 gears. SR Performance 31 spline axles. The diff is 31 spline as well, because I gotta match up, you know. Dual brake caliper brackets are from Scotidi Race Development. And those ones right there. Better video. Scotidi brake caliper brackets. Everything's a little dirty under here because, like I said, this is a couple days later. I already took it drifting, drove a couple hundred miles, so it's been raining and stuff. Am I missing anything? Nope. So that is the entire, that's everything that went into rebuilding the rear end. The diff, the 410 gears, the lower upper control arms, and the axles, and the dual brake caliper brackets. Oh, and I got new wheel bearings and stuff. And this was rebuilt with a new bearing kit for the differential and everything. Yeah. So this is the rear end now. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you come back to see some more videos. Hopefully I'm gonna get a truck soon so we can start going to the track and make some track videos and stuff like that. It'd be real fun. See you guys next time.